Hi and welcome. Today I want to try to make a kawaii ghost. I can't remember where I saw this, but it's kind of like a kawaii cat ghost. So I was like, yeah, I want to try and make that just with a bunny, of course. So yeah, that's gonna be today's thing. A kawaii bunny ghost. Yes. So without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, before we get started, I just want to quickly show you what clay I'm gonna be, not clay, what color I'm gonna be using, or like effect. Yeah, what effect I'm gonna be using. I'm using nightglow, as I felt like that could be very cute and a little spooky for when we're making the ghost. So I had taken a little piece of it and wrote it into a circle. And what was it then I did? Boom, 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 yes. And then I kind of like shaped it into a teardrop slash egg. Yeah, something like that. And I really just kept going and going and going. So yeah, this might take a little while. And then I just roll a little so it gets a little longer tail. Or ghost. Yeah, I don't know what it's called. We just call it ghost tail. And then I just press in a little, not too much. As I still want to keep a little of that round ghost shape. And then I kind of like bend it. Bend it? Yeah. Bend it, the ghost shape a little. So it gets like that effect. Kinda like that. And then we go over to the ears. And I just took the same clay, the same nightglow, and rolled them into balls. And then, oh, what was it I did again? Oh yeah. And then I kind of put them into or shaped them into teardrops. And pressed a little down as I go. And then we take the ears and we will just trim it off. The exit, of course, or lower part, or kinda like this, yes. I can see I cut a little wrong, but yeah, hopefully it's not that visible. And then it's just to decide which side, and I picked this one. So in the ear, let me see. Then we just attach it. Now that they are attached to this little guy, we will create the face. I'm just gonna create the eye sockets, not pressing too deep. Ooh, little guy. Alright, like so. I can see it's a little uneven, but I guess that's okay. And then we will create the eyes. Okay, now we have the eye sockets. No, eyeballs. Yes. And we will attach them. Boop. I'll place them in. Like that. I'm just gently pressing. Like that. Yes. And of course, I, as always, challenge myself to make a kawaii mouth. Will I regret it? Most likely. Can I do it? Nah. We see. But nonetheless, I'm gonna try. Because I will never learn unless I try. Oh, I'm so sorry I didn't spoke when I was attaching the mouth. It's always super nerve-wracking for me, so I'm super concentrated when I put it on. Almost, yeah, to the point where it's not good. But yeah, now that we have attached the mouth, of course it's not as perfect as I wanted it to be, but yeah. Then I was actually thinking, why not giving it a cute little tail? I just quickly came up with that little thing idea. Yeah. So yeah, we will do that. So then we make the cute little bun tail. And I was guessing just like a teardrop. And then we just attach it to the little bun butt. I guess around there. Alright, yeah. Whoop. There it is, the little bun tail. And I'm just gonna turn this one into a charm. Yeah, something like that. And then we're just gonna bake it according to package instructions. Yes. And we're back from the baking. It turned a little darker. I don't know if that's normal with the night glow effect. I never baked with it before, so. But yeah, I think it turned out super cute. So yeah, this was kind of like how it turned out. Yes, I don't know what to say. Yeah. So here we have it. Cute little bunny ghosty. Yes. So here we have him, a cute little bunny ghost. I'm actually very proud of how it turned out. I just fiddled it a little around with the clay before trying to make this, and it actually turned out better the second time. So yeah, I think, and I just think it's cute, that little tail though. But yeah, now the question is it night glowing? So I can't promise that the thumbnail would look so good if it's dark and it's glowing, but I will try my best. Otherwise it's glowing in the dark. Yes. I totally forgot to mention that the reason why I want to make a little ghost was because what the hell? Was because I love Halloween, and I know it's not Halloween yet, but it's getting close to October, which means close to Halloween. But yeah, Halloween is just my favorite holiday of all the holidays there is. I like all the spookiness and all the cuteness that can be in it too. So yeah, that is just a little thing I just wanted to share with you guys. But that's it for this time. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to become a part of this little channel, which would mean a lot to me, remember to click that subscribe button and also click the notification bell to be notified for every time I upload a new video. So yeah, but with that being said, I just want to wish you all a great day. So take care. Bye.